Okay. Oh, hi! You guys are here, huh? Huh, nice.
Welcome to StorySMART, the video series devoted to that. Well, that's a good way to start a bloopers video. That's what this video is. It's bloopers and outtakes. I'm going without the teleprompter, changing things up a little bit, as you can tell. You're seeing behind what you normally see. This is where I do my editing, and where I've been doing my one-man band. I started this StorySMART YouTube channel 17 weeks ago. This is our 19th video, and I thought to start the new year, by the way, Happy New Year, I thought the appropriate thing to do is to look back on the last 17 weeks. I started this channel not only to help you, but candidly to help myself. I've always wanted to do this. I think it's an amazing thing that you can do. If you would have told me when I was a kid that I could start a channel and that with video and there would be sound on it. I used to do Super 8 movies and I would have been thrilled to even have sound. But the idea that I could create a channel and I could edit on a computer, which of course I didn't even have a concept of what a computer was, and that I could run into the other room after I post it and it's going to be on a television, how freaking cool is that? And that people from around the world can watch. I mean, it's amazing. That sense of community that you can develop with this technology is just absolutely empowering. It's mind-blowing, and it's something that I'm passionate about, and I share that passion week after week. And today's video is really about saying thank you to you, letting you in a little bit on my personality. You're going to be seeing a lot more of it as we go forward. I'm probably going to dispense with the scripts and just speak from the heart. And share the insights that I've gained and the challenges that I've faced, and really this is always going to be about do it yourself. I believe passionately that if I can do this stuff, you can too. And I'm gonna share lessons that I've learned. We're gonna interview some of the best and brightest folks in communications. They're gonna share their insights. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. With that, enough preamble. I hope you enjoy these outtakes and these bloopers, and I would just want you to know how grateful I am. I can't believe we're 17 weeks into it. This is the 19th video. We have I believe 20,000 views or darn close to it, and over 2,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thanks. I appreciate it. Stick with me. We're going to have some fun. I promise to share tips that you can immediately use to grow your brand, to share your brand story, and most importantly, build your brand community. Once again, thanks. Share your comments. Tell me what you want to see. And today, enjoy the bloopers and outtakes. And until next time, stay StorySMART. Welcome to StorySMART.
Okay. Oh, hi! You guys are here, huh? Huh, nice.
We're good. We're very good. We're ready to go here. We're gonna get going. On doing the old StorySMART thing here. Gonna have a little bit of fun today.
Is that crazy? I'm crazy. Crazy for you.
And just, pretend that we know something and that, we can impart some information to some people and it'll be a good thing. Yeah.
I'm a neat guy.
I'm just stalling. Okay, till I get my remote. Okay.
Get the old baritone voice going.
Let's go ahead and do that right now, okay? All right, let's see here. Okay.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
That's what we're here for. We're gonna do all those things for you, yep.
Let's go ahead and redo that whole thing.
All right. Okay. Well, I can put the old radio voice on there.
Okay, let's go ahead and start this over. Okay, okay, we're gonna do that.
StorySMART, StorySMART. What? Superman. It's a big Superman S. Oh, a spoonful of story helps the message go down. The message go down. I'm passionate about this, but I look like an Undertaker when I say that.
Let's try that again.
Blah, 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 blah. The message go down.
Very nice.
Just a spoonful of story helps the message go down.
It's good to see you again.
In a most delightful way.
Need to do it. Need to talk about a little bit of brand journalism today. Need to do the StorySMART thing. Need to be StorySMART. That's right.
This video, let's do it. See if my voice doesn't change during it.
It'll be a little StorySMART today. All right, gonna make it look like I'm a little bit shorter by moving my legs across and get a little tripod stand going here.
Hi, how you guys doing? Having fun? Like watching these really wonderful videos?
You know what? I'm gonna go back. We're gonna go back. We're going back, going back, going back, going back.
Oh my God. Can I get any closer? I don't know.
Hello, 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 hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Testing. Yep, we have stereo. Hello. Hey, how are you? I'm cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. All right.
Hey, I don't have my jacket on. I can't go on the TV without the jacket, can I? It's like my security blanket. I gotta go get it. Okay, wait for me. I'll be right back. I promise. It's like Clark Kent becoming Superman. What can you say? Oh my heavens. Okay, let's see if I can do this thing here. Start over. We can do that again. Hello, 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 hello. You're storytelling. Oh yeah.
Do I want to cut my head off?
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Welcome to Story Technology and
Make love to that camera, that's right.
Not so much. It's hard to do the communicating part. Need to do it. Got to get out there and do it, but it's hard to do.